Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming every corner of your outdoor spaces into a beautiful, stylish sanctuary. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving deep into a timeless architectural marvel that brings the ultimate luxury and natural light into your everyday life. The Conservatory Sunroom design. A conservatory sunroom is a specialized glass-enclosed structure attached to a residential home, characterized by its extensive glass walls and, most importantly, a glazed or transparent roof. Unlike standard sunrooms that typically feature standard solid roofing material with large windows, a true conservatory is designed to maximize overhead sunlight, historically functioning as a greenhouse for exotic plants while serving as an elegant, transparent extension of the living space. It represents a harmonious bridge between the climate-controlled comfort of your home's interior and the raw, changing beauty of the outdoor landscape. Investing in a conservatory sunroom design offers an array of incredible benefits that enhance both your physical well-being and your property's value. The primary advantage is the unparalleled abundance of natural daylight that floods the space, which is proven to boost mood, increase vitamin D intake, and significantly reduce reliance on artificial lighting during the day. This architectural addition effectively expands your usable square footage, offering a versatile, multi-purpose environment that can be used as a tranquil lounge, an inspiring home office, a unique dining room, or a thriving indoor garden oasis. Furthermore, because of its expansive glass panels, it offers uninterrupted panoramic views of your backyard or garden across all 4 seasons, allowing you to enjoy the warmth of the sun during chilly winter days or watch rainstorms in complete warmth and luxury. This unique combination of aesthetic appeal and functional expansion makes a conservatory a high-value feature that can dramatically increase your home's market resale value. Decorating a conservatory sunroom requires a thoughtful balance between interior luxury and the natural outdoor environment. To make the space look its best, start by choosing a cohesive color palette that reflects or complements the colors found right outside your glass walls, utilizing soft earth tones, crisp whites, or muted neutrals that let the natural scenery do the talking. Lighting is a crucial component. Because the ceiling is made of glass, you can hang an elegant statement chandelier or a tropical-inspired ceiling fan to draw the eyes upward while anchoring the main seating zone. Incorporate layerable textile elements like sheer curtains or automated blinds to help control the temperature and glare throughout the afternoon, ensuring the space remains comfortable and usable. Finally, arrange your seating arrangements strategically to face outward toward the most scenic viewpoints, maintaining open pathways that connect the sunroom naturally to the rest of your home. Selecting the right furniture and decorative items is essential for creating a functional and resilient sunroom. The best items for a conservatory sunroom are those constructed from materials that can withstand consistent sunlight exposure, such as high-quality rattan, treated wicker, wrought iron, or performance teak wood. Plush, deep-seated sofas and armchairs wrapped in UV-resistant performance fabrics like Sunbrella are absolute must-haves to prevent premature fading from intense UV rays. To lean into the room's greenhouse origins, decorate generously with large statement indoor plants like fiddle leaf figs, palms, or hanging ferns that thrive in high-light environments and seamlessly blend the indoor decor with your outdoor landscaping. Additionally, consider adding large plush area rugs to define the living zone and insulate the flooring, alongside versatile accent tables to hold your morning coffee or favorite books. And now for the main event. Let's count down the top 10 best conservatory sunroom design ideas to inspire your home's makeover. These designs, shown from our carefully curated gallery, show just how versatile a sunroom can be. One. Contemporary Skylight Living Oasis. This design features a modern, clean-lined white sunroom extension that masterfully blends a solid vaulted ceiling with strategically placed glass skylights. Large double doors open up directly to a beautifully manicured green lawn, while the interior is anchored by a plush white sectional sofa, a richly carved wooden coffee trunk, and a vibrant bohemian area rug that adds a stunning pop of color. 2. Classic checkerboard dining conservatory. An elegant Victorian-inspired dining conservatory showcasing traditional arched glass windows and a fully transparent sloped glass roof. The space is beautifully grounded by a bold black and white checkerboard tiled floor, featuring an oval wooden dining set illuminated by a classic wrought iron candle chandelier. 3. Vibrant patchwork accent lounge. This bright, white-walled conservatory utilizes full-height glass panels and a stunning vaulted glass ceiling to maximize natural light. The contemporary space is brought to life through a playful mix of furniture, featuring 2 deep blue armchairs contrasted against 2 eclectic patchwork accent chairs that draw the eye toward the lush garden outside. 4. Ultra-modern gable front sunroom. A pristine and expansive modern conservatory featuring an impressive structural glass gable roof that fills the entire interior with light. The minimalist room is styled with 2 large, luxurious white leather sectional sofas accented with deep red floral pillows, creating a sophisticated environment perfect for hosting guests. 5. Traditional octagonal garden solarium. A classic, multifaceted octagonal conservatory design that offers sweeping panoramic views of the surrounding woodland and pool area. The space is anchored by a tropical-style wooden ceiling fan hanging from the intricate glass roof framing, paired with traditional floral upholstery, wicker armchairs, and a large vintage oriental rug. 6. Seamless open-plan transom extension. This luxury design acts as a seamless extension of the main home, utilizing a grand glass roof lantern overhead to illuminate a spacious living layout. Wide French doors fold completely open to bridge the gap between the indoor hardwood floors and the outdoor patio, creating an entertainer's dream space filled with soft cream furnishings. 7. Bright eclectic family sunroom. A welcoming light-filled conservatory featuring a fully glazed lean-to roof structure that looks directly up at the sky. The room embraces a cheerful, eclectic aesthetic with a bold navy blue sofa, warm yellow armchairs, vibrant orange and green accent pillows, and an eye-catching blue-patterned ottoman center table. 8. Country-style stone tile conservatory. A rustic yet refined conservatory boasting premium stone tile flooring, painted timber wall frames, and automated overhead canvas shades to control afternoon glare. The space features comfortable neutral wicker sofas with deep purple accents alongside a round glass dining table, ideal for indoor-outdoor dining. 9. Grand Chandelier Traditional Orangery. An exceptionally bright and airy traditional conservatory with full-length folding glass doors that provide direct access to an expansive backyard. A magnificent crystal chandelier serves as the focal point, hanging elegantly from the structural glass roof above a serene, neutral-toned rattan lounge set. 10. Ornate Cathedral Peak Conservatory. A breathtaking architectural masterpiece showcasing an intricate cathedral-style peaked glass roof with decorative finials and Gothic-inspired arched window panes. The sophisticated, monochromatic interior is dressed in timeless white and gray Chesterfield sofas, matching high-back dining chairs and a sleek coffee table. A conservatory sunroom design is much more than just a home addition. It is a lifestyle transformation that allows you to experience the natural beauty of the outdoors every single day without sacrificing the comforts of modern indoor living. Whether you prefer the clean lines of a contemporary glass extension or the ornate charm of a traditional Victorian solarium, investing in one of these spaces will undoubtedly bring light, luxury, and peace to your household. If you enjoyed exploring these stunning conservatory designs, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another home inspiration video from Homes Decor Designs. We want to hear from you. Which of the top 10 sunroom ideas was your absolute favorite? Let us know in the comments section below, and we will see you in the next video.